Hello Jamers, this is 132 here. Haven't uploaded anything for a while, I guess. So I finally got my 10th diamond today because I've been saving for 10 weeks, which, trust me, it seems like a short amount of time, but just waiting that long, it's just, I don't know. So anyways, we have the diamonds. So I have, the snow leopard and the Arctic wolf, and I'm going to be getting the lion, and I'm going to be getting the kangaroo soon, because but I really wanted the cheetah, so yeah, we're just going to get it, and I'm going to, let's see what name we should name it. It's gonna be very, I'm a daredevil. Okay, no thanks, sorry. Fast moon. Let's see. Stop trading me people. Enchanted. Expert. I have a name in mind. It's down here. Keen, Knight, Large. I just want to get through these. Thank you. Oh my god. There we go. Okay. This is already down here, so we have to do it. There it is. Bye. Yay! Oh, there's my friend. Say hi. You're on video. Yay! So I got the cheetah, and I'm just. This is actually cooler than I thought. Seriously? So yeah, thanks for watching, and if you want to see me get the kangaroo, I will upload that soon once I wait 10 weeks. So yeah, bye bye.